Alright, today we're taking a look at the new speaker by Musibaby. Musibaby! The M1. They tout this as a outdoor speaker. So I'm using it indoors. I'm using it against the way it's designed. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just gonna go over this real quick. All the details, the controls and stuff, I'll put some of that in the description, that less important stuff. The speaker itself, you can see it has 4 lights for your battery and some braille buttons. You can actually see the buttons pretty good there, but in most instances you can't really see them too well. Now this speaker has 2 drivers, 2 main drivers, 2 woofers, and then 2 tweeters, and then 2 passive radiators on the back. Now on the ends, it has an M. There's 2 light modes. That's the first light mode. And that's the second light mode. Kind of pulsing to the beat. Kind of does its own thing too, for the most part. You can see right there, there's anchor points. It comes with a shoulder strap, but they're plastic. Most of these speakers have like a metal anchor points. So, this speaker has a little bit of weight to it, so I would be a little bit leery of that. Around back, I don't know if you can see, but there's a 2 round passive radiators on each side, 1 on each side. And for your jacks, if I can get it to stay open, there's a 3.5 millimeter jack. So I'm going to tilt this back a little bit. There we go. 3.5 millimeter jack for wired use. USB-C is what this charges with. It has a microphone jack, which is nice. USB-A and a micro SD. You can barely see it up there. There it is. So it has most of your connections, which is a good thing. So we're gonna back the camera up a little bit and see what this thing sounds like. Musibaby's kind of known for making some smaller speakers, handheld. I've got like a shower one. It's just kind of So we're gonna see what this thing sounds like. So let's do it. Alright, so I'm about 6 to 7 feet away from the speaker, zoomed in a little bit. You may hear upstairs in the background, if you have headphones on, you may hear my son hollering a little bit. He's up there playing NBA 2K, and he likes to holler and complain, kind of like a woman. Oh, I didn't say that. Alright, we're going to start this at about, let's start it at 40%. Here we go. This doesn't have any EQs or anything like that built into the speaker, so what you get is what you get. All right, put your headphones on if you got them. %. I can hear him. Idiot. Go up to 60. Kind of a brighter sound. Change track. Bass is just It's very, very bright. Go up to 80. Volume starts picking up more later in the scale. Change track. Go up to 100% volume.
You're the reason why I'm bothered, baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive.
Change track. Go down to 80 again. That's 60%. $40. So definitely you pick up a lot more volume higher in the scale than lower. Kind of top heavy, if you will. Let's go down to 20. That's 20, you can barely hear it. All right, so from what I've gathered from listening to this, and I've listened to it a little bit before this, the bass on this is adequate. It's not a strong bass speaker, but it's not really lacking in bass. But the overall sound is a very bright sound, especially when you get higher in volume. It can sound a little too bright, in my opinion. So if you had this, you'd probably want to, at least for me, use a third-party EQ to tone down some of that, especially the upper mids where you get the vocals. It's a little bit too much for me. But let's take it over and put it on the ledge, because since it's a rear passive radiator speaker, put it on the ledge where it's close to a wall. See what we got there. Let's do that next. Okay, so I got it on the ledge. Like I said, it's a small ledge in my basement, so it's fairly close to the wall, and it's next to the Tri-Bit Stormbox Blast. If you wanted a size comparison, it's about a mid-size speaker. It's not as big as the Blast. So we'll go back to the same song now that we're on the ledge. Will it jump? Here we go. Let's go up to 40. We'll start at 40. Camera's a little crooked. So you're gonna pick up a little more bass since you got it close to the wall. Let's go up to 60. I'm the same distance, about 6 to 7 feet away. I think it sounds a little better close to a wall. Let's go up to 80. Change track. This is kind of more of a bass track. See what this thing can deliver. The build up. Can you sense the build up? I think it's struggling a little bit. Let's go up to max volume. Too bad. Change track, still max volume. Down to 80. $60. $40. So that's the Musibaby M1. Yeah, baby. My impressions, right? I think the price on Amazon is something crazy like 160 or 70 bucks or 180, something like that. That puts it more expensive than the Tri-Bit Stormbox Blast sitting right next to it. There's no way it's better than that. But they have a coupon on there, so yeah, I think it's around 100, something like that. So that's putting it in that same category as like the W King X10. So yeah, I mean it's a pretty good speaker. It's definitely not a bass heavy speaker, and it is a brighter sound, a little brighter than I prefer, but some people might like that. That tends to make it sound a little louder when it's brighter, and it has a decent amount of output for this type of speaker. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the Musibaby M1. What do you guys think? Like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, do it today. It costs you nothing. It's totally free. And I guarantee you'll get every bit of that out of it. Nothing. Mr. Hand, take us out. Wow.